Falcon! Prince Falcon? Oh, yay! I'm a bird of prey!
Whoa! Hi, Bettina. Chase, mark out your goggles to get a picture of these tracks.
Roar, roar! Spy goggles! That's the track. And that's the hoof. It's a perfect match.
And that...
She said the Sisterhood Social was uncouth? Yeah, uncouth.
Wait, what's uncouth? It's not just the social. She thinks I'm uncouth.
Honey, Rarity thinks everything's uncouth.
What's uncouth?
It means uncivil, you know, bad-mannered. Egg!
Hear what happened to that truckload of cookies they baked today? Just...
If I eat another apple, I'm gonna explode.
And we still have so many left.
I see the exit!
Here you go, Thunderfoot.
My breakfast. Excuse me. For something as stupid as hiccups?